everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a review of this product that you're seeing right in front of you. I bought it at Amazon's. I took the sticker off because that's how they ship it. I didn't buy it to make a video. I literally bought it because I needed it. I wanted to try it out, and at the last minute I said, let me record it, why not? So here it is. This is the vacuum storage bags. I thought it was a fancy word. Vacuum storage bags by Rainbow Craft. I did got them on Amazon. I just looked for the one that had the better ratings, and then I went with that. And I also liked it because it has different sizes of the bags, and it comes with 24 bags. And it has a medium bag, which is it's equivalent to 8 to 10 sweaters. It has a large one. It's equivalent from 10 to 12 sweaters or one pillow. It has a jumbo. It's equivalent to 2 pillows or a queen size bedding set. X jumbo, 4 pillows or 4 or 2 bedding sets. Hand roll mediums. So those are kind of little, 2 shirts, 2 sweaters, 1 jacket. And hand roll small, 2 shirts, 1 sweater, 1 jacket. And they're simple. You pack, you seal, your vacuum, you store it. Or you can pack, seal, and roll it to make it, if you don't want it flat, if you just want to roll it, you can do that as well. Overfilling, it says here for the tips that overfilling will cause the bag to re-inflate. Fold clothes as neatly as flat as possible in order to squeeze more air out. Do not remove the foam piece inside of the air bulb. Removing will cause the bag to re-inflate. Avoid storing bags near sharp objects or heat sources, or else then you're gonna get out of your bags, right? This one it also says that has a free dual pump, but I didn't pay attention to that. It's handy, like if you put these on a luggage bag, so when you're gonna travel, if some places do not have a vacuum and you're not gonna bring that one, the hand pump, it's good to have. You can put it in there. It's plastic, and this is how the inside looks. And I believe it only comes in one big bag like this. So there's that bag with all the baggies in here, and I bought these so I can store my daughter's clothes. I do have 2 daughters, and I do want to, well, at least I want to keep the first year, 2 years of their clothes for safekeeping, just because I want to. I don't want to throw everything away or donate everything away. It's not, it has memories. So look at this. Let's open this one. I'm not sure which one this is. Okay, it has 2 in here. Look at this. Let's do the smaller one. These are the bags. Look at this. Plasticky. We see the bulb here for where we can do it. It's pretty big. I'm guessing, oh, this is the medium. And if we remember, we go here. Here, if it fits 8 to 10 sweaters. So talking about sweaters as in an adult clothing. So I'm gonna put my daughter's dresses and clothes in here. It has this little like Ziploc bag, little opening, you can see. Let's see if it opens this way. I think this little clip, it has this little clip here. I think this is just to help you close it. It's like a Ziploc bag. Hoping I don't rip it. Look, it has double the little layers to close it, and I'm thinking the little clip helps you seal it back up. Yep, that's what it does. So make sure you don't lose it. And we put all the things in here, and it says pack, seal, vacuum, and store. I'm gonna try it with both of them. It says do not fill beyond this line. So there's a line here that it tells you not to overfill whatever line that is. Hopefully you guys could see it. You can overfill from here. You can see there's like a good 5 inches or more when it ends. So we're gonna try that. This is the medium. Let's see just for size comparison. Oh, well, this is way bigger. Let me put you back a little bit. Look at this is the size large, and the large is for the 10 to 12 sweaters or one pillow, so it's pretty big. Okay, comparing to the sizes. Let me go this way. Look, I'm at the edge. I'm not moving it, and this is where the medium ends. It's hard to see because it's clear. This is where the medium ends, and we still have a whole lot for the large, and there's a lot of them. So there's 24. So we're gonna go give it a try and see how both of them works. I'll give it a try with the hand pump, and I'll give it a try with my vacuum as well. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is my daughter's closet. This is the bins that I use to store their clothes that they don't longer use that I want to keep. I got these bins at the Home Depot, and I have another clear one as well. So I want to put that in this bag. So let's get to doing that. I'm going to use the big one first, and then we'll try that one with the vacuum, and then I'll do the smaller one, and then I'll try that one with the hand pump. Okay, I did most of the things I wanted, less puffy things. I want to try this to see if there's actually a limit of things, or I can put a lot. I have 24, and I'm doing it for the sake of showing you. Okay, so I'm gonna seal it back up, and hopefully I use a little plastic thing to seal it, and I didn't went beyond that line, so I kept everything from that line. There's a line here from this line over there. Now I'm gonna give it a whiff. I'm gonna give it a try with the hand pump, and then I'll bring my vacuum to see. It says open and close. There's an open and close thing here on the little bulb. There's an open and close. It's open and close. So we're gonna open it, take off the lid. There's a foam here. We don't want to take that out. There's that little pink foam. So we're gonna stick that in there. There's a thing so you can turn it and seal it like a little soda can. And we're going to look at this. Can we see? We're gonna do that. So let's see if that gets any shrink. Out of these holes, there's these holes. I can see those. I can feel those holes bringing out air. Look at this. Can you see the shrinkable? Look right here.
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it.
It literally is like shrinking a whole lot, and that's a lot of. You definitely do not need a vacuum if you just want to do this by hand. Look at all this. It does feel heavy, but it does shrink it a whole lot.
It's not doing it.
Hopefully I'm screwing in it. It's hard to do that. There you go. So once it's done like that,
I'm going to take a picture.
we're going to put our lid back. Luna. And our whole thing It's well packed in there. Look, one of the dresses still had a 6 to 12 thing. Look it. Look it. Shrinkable. And this one was the medium that I said 10 to 12 sweaters or one pillow could fit in here. And I could still see like I could have done more, but I'm afraid because since I packed it so much that if something would happen. So look at that. Obviously you cannot roll with this one. I'm just gonna place it back in the bin just like that. But absolutely it's well worth the try. I'm gonna do the smaller one, and I'm gonna put something else in here, a few blankets, and I will try this one with the vacuum. Okay, so my vacuum has this little handy dandy that I don't have to take everything out. There's an option for just sucking and not vacuuming. So here's our baggie here. Here's our baggie. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna open, and this has less things because it is a smaller bag and it has like more like newborn things. So this one doesn't have the little cork thing to seal it because this is a bigger knot. So we're gonna try and see if it works. So I'm just gonna put it like that and then hoping it'll work like that, unless I have to unwind everything. Look at that. It works super good. Look, it does feel a little bit puffy because it was a blanket. I'm gonna try to do it a little bit more. It is noisy, so here we go. Do you see the bag growing?
Look at the plate.
The bag is growing back from
Let me get some more.
too much sucking. Did you see that? I'm gonna try that again. Okay, do you see that? While running, I just took it off and it didn't deflate. But if I keep it here and I put it on the vacuum section, it does re-inflate. Look at this. If I keep it, look, it's growing back. So you gotta take it off while it was running. So it keeps it like that, or else it'll deflate. I love that. Layla's trying to help me with the other thing. So we seal it back up. And I'm gonna do all my clothes and come back with a review. So look at that. My whole bin of clothes that I had of the girls are in these 3 bags. I used 2 mediums. I actually really sucked this one with the vacuum. The first one I did with the hand. I could do it a little bit more. This one has a little bit of more clothes, like little tiny ones. These ones were the dresses. You can see here. And then the tiny one for the baby things. But look at that. 3 whole bags, and it was my whole entire bin. The whole entire bin that I completely gave it a swivel suck and got rid of all of the little clothes there. Look at this. The whole bin was to the rim that I actually had a little bump on the top. It's completely empty, and I bet if I continue doing my other bin, I'm going to be able to put these over there. Hold on, give me a... Okay, look at this. I'm gonna put my bags in here. Of course, we cannot roll them, but look at that. There's one. It's gonna be 2. We still have space. And our third one. and it's completely to the top. But you can see I have a whole lot of space down there, and a bunch here that I can even put my other bin in here and get one bin out of the way. So I give the vacuum rainbow crab storage bag a 5 out of 5 stars because you do get a lot of the things shrunk. It's really neat. It says it's dust free, insect free, mold free, smell free, humidity free, and is reusable. The pump thing, like I told you, it comes in handy a lot. You have to do it a lot of it. Like to have flat things like this, you have to put less things, but even like that, I think it's wonderful. You can put in blankets for the winter and store them like that. I still have a lot of them. I only use 3, and I use 2 mediums and 1 small. Was it the small one? The pink one? I use the 2 blue ones and then a pink one. What is the size for the pink one? The pink one is a medium. Okay, the medium. The blue one I believe was a large. It only has medium, large, extra large, and jumbo, something like that. But I do recommend it. I can't remember how much it was. I will put it somewhere here. I'll put the link down in the description box as well to where you can find it in Amazon. I get absolutely nothing from it. This is just a link to where you can find it. I'm helping you to find it. I don't get no money out of it, and I just want to help you. It says 30% more thickness of the material of the bag, so that's really nice. I do recommend them. 24 pack, it's way more. They do sell these at, well, not specifically this brand, but they do sell the vacuum storage bags at Target and Walmart. But they come in packs of 2. They do come in package of 2, so that's kind of, you have to buy either like $12 or $20, and you get more for this. Like I believe it was 36. I don't remember. They have the instructions for the vacuum storage, and they have the instructions for the hand rolling. The hand rolling, this one is for, I'm thinking for like when you travel and you have a lot of clothes that you want to give out for your family on other places. It's really handy. You can vacuum all your clothes and bring all those Mexican candy back. And having this one, you have to do more work. It's more label work with this, but it does come in handy because some places do not have a vacuum. You don't want to bring your vacuum with you. And yeah, I do recommend 5 out of 5 stars. If you like this kinds of video, please comment down below or give me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Look at all that. Goodbye. Vacuum storage.